every two-bit tourist wants to go to the Uffizi, and every two-bit tourist wants to see David. You're in there with the whole world, and it's not designed for those kind of crowds, and it's overwhelming. You got to do it. Find a way to minimize the stress in the crowds and the time wasting. It's worth it. There are ways to get around that, but this is the line for the Uffizi Gallery. It's there every day. It goes all the way around the block, and the typical tourist just stumbles in, goes to the end of the line, and spends 2 hours trying to get through the door. You can get around that line. It's very straightforward. In my guidebook, I've got a guidebook on Florence that gives you all the details. Just make a reservation, and you walk right by all those people. Don't say anything too smart-aleck, and you go straight to the door. You show them your appointment, and they let you in. You've enjoyed the Uffizi Gallery, and they're out of there before these poor people who have one day in their life in Florence and spend a third of it waiting to get in before they get to the door. Please, make a reservation for David. Make a reservation for the Uffizi. And then you can enjoy the great Botticellis. And you can be surrounded by all those beautiful Michelangelo prisoners and so on.